Okay, so these are my favorite Crocs because, you know, I have a bunion on my foot. How awful is that? But I love these Crocs. They go with so much stuff. So I think I might bring these. They're really cute, right? I love them. Oh. So here's some of the things that I have on my bed to take. And I'll have to figure it out as I go. This is my favorite makeup bag because I can put my eye drops, my glasses cleaner, and a hair tie, and my tweezers right here in the front pocket. And what I love is it has these inside pockets on one side, but I love it because when I'm using it, I could flip this over and get to everything super easily. So it fits a lot of stuff. I have 3 lipsticks, a lip gloss, 2 concealers, my Clinique mascara, my favorite Avon True Color Ideal Nude Foundation, which is so amazing, my Avon face protector. Both of these must-haves because they're so natural, especially for women over 50. I've got my Clinique gel blush, my Ultra Brown mascara from Wet n Wild, as you saw in my last video. And then I have my jumbo mirror. This is my favorite mirror ever. It's magnified on one side and it's slim. This is a second one like this. I had one for almost 10 years and then I went back to CVS and they had one. I was so happy. I have my MARC Shimmer Cube, which is really great. I love that. In lieu of blush sometimes. I have I use it just actually with my blush. I have my Avon face powder, which is the best face powder. It's so fine milled that I just love it. I've got my MARC Kabuki brush, my 2 Avon concealers. I like these because they go on really silky smooth and they're not too heavy. They don't go into my creases. I have a lighter one for highlighting and on days when I just want a little bit lighter under my eyes, and then they have one that's in medium light and this one is in nude. Lip pencils, and Avon has a clear lip pencil that I love, which just fills in all those little lines around your lips, and that's my favorite. I ordered another one because I ran out. I have my Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. I have my fave brow pencil from Avon, and then a Glimmer Sticks in black brown and a Glimmer Sticks in this beautiful sparkly blue. This lipstick is called Heat Wave. For a blonde, I don't know, look at this red. It's not too corally, it's not too dark. It's a beautiful, almost, look at it, it's almost the exact same color as this beautiful kind of pinkish red blouse I have on today. I have on my pink quartz lip gloss, and then I have my 2 favorite Yves Saint Laurent Volupté lip gloss bombs, my cheeky blush from Too Faced. I got my favorite Anew Creamy Cleanser, my Skin So Soft, my Anew Clinical Resurfacing Pads, and my AHA cream, which I can't live without. A berry eyeshadow. I love this one because it has the pinks and it has this taupey color, and then it has a nice darker color for evening. And so this is what I'm bringing with me. Okay, so here I am out in the daylight and I have my makeup on. I did my brows with my Wet n Wild slant nose eyebrow pencil. I used my Clinique mascara. And not too bad, right? I always suggest going out into the daylight so that way you can try to look as natural as possible. I've always been a huge Avon lover. I sell Avon, I love it. I'm gonna put a link to my store, and I've been trying a lot of their new perfumes. I'm in love with this one. It's called Daydream. Comes in this gorgeous little bottle, but of course I'm traveling, so I bought a sample. Oh my gosh, this one is, if you love florals, oh, I can't stop smelling it. It's almost like gardenia and sandalwood mixed together. Oh, it's so lovely. If you want a sample of this, I would be happy to get this out to you. As a matter of fact, to make this fun, I'm gonna do a Avon sample giveaway. I'm gonna get together a huge collection of Avon samples, everything from skincare to perfume. I have the best samples, so I'm gonna put together these amazing sample kits, and I'm gonna give a bunch of them out to all my viewers and anyone else who's interested in Avon, because they have such amazing products and they get very overlooked in this saturated market of beauty choices. Plus you have Sephora. There's so much to choose, but I just love Avon, and I use other products too, so I'm all about finding the best of the best, but Avon has some of the best products, and I love what they do for women. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll give you a little tour of where I'm staying, and I'll see you soon.